Alright everybody, so there it is, the 1984 XR500. Just do a little walk around on the bike here. That motor sounds really good. All the plastic is in restorable condition. I do not need to buy any plastic. That seat, I'm pretty sure, is the original seat cover on this bike. The decals are all still on it. Chain guards on the swing arm are all still good. Chain slides good. I'm going to go back to the stock handlebars. It's got Rentals on it right now, but I want the original stock ones. This bike will be ridden for now, but eventually will be a total teardown restoration, which won't take much. It's a lot of paint, really. That motor sounds so good. Typically these bikes have valve train issues if they're not taken care of, but this one, so that's it. That's what I traded the 1985 CR250 for. 1984 XR500. Okay.